Hello, I am Vin Sheldon, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a sway bar and link. So I'm going to show you guys what my sway bar looks like right now. You can see that the bushings, rubber bushings, have completely deteriorated and broken away. This is what it looks like from the bottom. When I'm driving on the road, this is the noise I hear. Sounds like a chain dragging along the floor while I'm driving. So to get started, I've simply jacked the problematic side up onto a jack stand and removed the tire. So now I'm going to begin removing the old bad sway bar and link. So I've started taking the bolt off that holds the sway bar and link onto the sway bar here. So the top bolt head is a 5/8. I'm just using a ratchet up here. And then the bottom nut that's holding the bolt on is also a 5/8. So I am now struggling to get this bad boy off. It takes a lot of strength. This takes a lot of strength because it's been on here since 2000 or earlier. It's rusted on there pretty good. So pretty good exercise. Hopefully I'm getting there. So I figured out that it's easier if I let this top ratchet just press up against the suspension here while I use two hands to push on this wrench. So I'm making good progress now. I finally got the bolt off, the old sway bar link off. It took me about 5-10 minutes of wrestling with the wrench and the bolt. It was a challenge all the way off. But anyways, here's a new one sitting next to the old sway bar link. I'm now going to put the sway bar link on to my truck. On the new sway bar link, there are bushings on the top and on the bottom. The bushings go, there's a bushing that goes above and below, somewhat like this, the sway bar end, and here into the axle. Bar end link mostly reassembled on my Ford F-150, 2000 Ford F-150. So this was a tricky in itself, as I had to take the link apart and reassemble it on the truck. It wouldn't have been so difficult if there wasn't so much weight on the sway bar. So what I did is just use my jack to apply a little pressure to the sway bar and lift it up so I could maneuver the whole sway bar link kit together on the truck. So I'm almost got it all together. All I have left is this last bushing here and the washer and nut. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys on. Alright guys, I have successfully replaced the sway bar end link on my 2000 Ford F-150. I removed the pressure off of the sway bar from my jack. So now all I have left to do is put the tire back on my truck and lower the truck back down to the ground. We should be good to go. Alright, I've successfully got my tire back on, truck lowered back to the ground, and the new sway bar link installed. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and good luck.